Hello YouTube, welcome to the Build It, Fix It, Live It channel. Thanks for tuning in. Going to be doing an oil change on the Land Hero Mini skid steer. I'll put an Amazon link. The only thing I really got on Amazon is they got this, it's like basically a drain hose. I got some, went to Tractor Supply. I got a Toro oil filter, which I heard works best. Not best, it just, I think it has something to do with the concave, you know, where it threads on, so you get a good seal. But anyway, someone had said the Toro works good. I mean, technically these engines are kind of built the same. Even though it's a Chinese engine, it's sort of like a Toro. Got some 10W30 oil. And then as far as the Toro filter, it just says the Toro V-Twin engine oil filter. There's a number on here, 5008. Went ahead, pulled it in. I put some, I just had some scrap lumber laying around, just kind of wanted to tilt it to the side because if you notice, the oil drain is right there. The problem is, if I pull that plug, oil is literally going to go everywhere. So I think what I'm going to use is an extractor, and the oil fill is right here. So I'm going to try to stick my extractor hose down in there and pump out as much possible oil as I can. So I just kind of wanted to tilt it to one side, so not sure if that'll really do anything, but it is worth a shot. Let's get this extractor down. I did start the engine, warmed it up. Alright, one thing I'm noticing is that is not going to work. I don't know what's in there, but it's not allowing that little tube to go down. So I think I'm going to have to pull this out, which I'm already seeing how this would be a huge pain. Looking through this hole, try to get this tube down through there. Here we go, the dipstick, feed, and just kind of keep feeding it until I feel it hit the bottom. Alright, looks like all the oil is extracted out. It's not much. I don't think these things take but a couple quarts. Now what I'm going to do is loosen that drain plug. I'm going to get some paper towels, just be ready for the possible gigantic mess. Alright, I got a shop towel here, 12mm socket. Go ahead and get this on the drain bolt. Alright, leave that rag there just to soak up any oil that's going to pour out. Yeah, it's definitely, even with extracting the oil out, it's still kind of making a mess. But anyway, there's the oil filter. So give me an oil filter wrench and get that taken off. Probably get some more shop towels because I know there's going to be a lot of oil pouring out of there. I have heard that for whatever reason, little Chinese dudes freaking crank those suckers on. I don't know if they're not lubing the seal or they're using a tool or what they're doing, but so we'll see. All right, so far looks like mine. I got lucky. I'm one of the lucky ones. Put some extra shop towels under here. Just to catch anything. I think what I may do is they sell some like oil rags at the auto store. I may lay a couple of those down the bottom of this thing, just just to catch anything. It's if you get this one that I put the link on to Amazon, it's 17 millimeter to screw it into the fitting. Got the oil line screwed on. I kind of had to go, just because it's kind of there's not a lot of room to work here, so I had to kind of tighten it. Then I went around to the front of the machine and went through the hood and tightened it. And what else I thought about doing is, I think I'm just going to zip tie this oil line up to this hydraulic line here. That way it's above the drain. It doesn't reach all the way there, so I'm hoping that I could maybe get a fitting and just extend this hose a little bit. So got the oil filter spent on. Just remember to get some fresh oil, rub around the seal of that oil filter, and then just hand tighten it. No need for tools. You want to make sure you can get it off next time. All right, looks like mine is full, not quite 2 quarts, and that definitely filled it up. Probably a little on the higher side. I don't know. I'm hoping that by the time the oil filter fills up, it'll be right on. So what I did learn, if you have the handle turned kind of like this, oops, if you let it go, see, I think it's easier just to remove the stinking back panel. Anyway, you kind of want this handle, this little ring, not facing this way, but facing right at you. Then it just drops right in. Hey, check out some of my other videos. I did some shims on the track. That's been super helpful. Have not thrown a track since. Appreciate you watching. I mean, I hate to ask, just, if you like it, subscribe, like it, comment, do anything. I mean, like I said, I kind of do these videos and they're kind of fun to make, but anyway, it's nice to know that y'all are watching.